Hi everybody, it's Bernie. It's been a few years since I posted videos, but here we go again. This is my 49cc gas bike. I built it probably almost a week ago, and since then I've probably put between 300 and 500 miles on it, last night being the longest run with probably 80 miles, somewhere around there. But the first few things I wanted to point out about this that really suck is that when I got it, they had that crack in it to begin with. It's missing the crank pin to make it wider to clear the motor. So right now I have the pedals held level with the ground with a piece of speaker wire. I cut the baffle out of the exhaust. It's not really any louder, but it seems to help with the torque on the bottom end with taking off a little bit. And the gas tank, I hit a bump too hard and it ripped the post halfway out, so I put a 2-gallon tank in the front in the basket they had to custom make so I could get around. It's 2 gallons, and my range is probably about 220 miles, 200 miles with this tank in it and everything. The one thing that could really use improvement with these kits are the really cheap bolts that they use, because you can only loosen and tighten them so many times before they strip or break without using that much torque on them. But otherwise it runs really good. It starts in the first pull. I did one oil change on it. Nothing any oil. It's been really good. But my next question is what are some suggestions that you would do, say if one were to take this on a 2,300 mile journey one way and back? What are some things you guys would do? I'd be curious to know. In case I'm missing something, I already got the list in my head. But just drop some comments or message me or something. It'd be much appreciated. Alright, have a good day, guys.